Hello all, welcome to AI with Dhruv. So in this video, just I'll clear your all the doubt regarding MCPs and whatever doubt you at your mind. It will just take you to set up around 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes max to max. And here you can see, and you will be able to see. So right now it's proper working. We have all the MCP I created for my MacBook app. It is right now fit just fetching. I can use this inside Claude desktop. You can see, yeah, you all this, right? You are going to see, then I'll can you see it's white now, dark anymore. That's how it can. So all these things is being created with no hands. If I already created for you guys and all, and directly you can set up just quick inside your Cloud Code and you can see it, your credentials, change everything already changed dark. You can how it's work. That's how it's also the same way. You can see same notification dark running open apps and all each and everything it can handle that you can, and that's how you can set a number of MC. Like there is no limitations. Already I set up like my Google Workspace, then Zoho CRM, Facebook ad, anything can be connected, and that can be right. Claude desktop also, and in Claude CLI as well, which you can use inside Anti-Gravity or Cursor or anywhere. All right. If I just show you here as well how you can do that. If you go over here, you can see you have connectors. And inside connectors, you can see all the MCP that is being right. You can see all those yourself, everything, and we have given some tools access as well. Yes, can be handled properly. And if I'll just go inside the set developer, here you can see multi, right, N8 email, Google Calendar, Google Sheets, also agent loadout, so CRM or loadout basically the kind of skill context that is available in my locus use every single time whenever it is answering to CRM add type type class every data Mac control and all. That's how it can do it, and I here also and here as well. How this is done? Let that you do not need to think a lot about it. So what exactly what the sounds like? Okay, so here you can see MCP equal to model context protocol. Just that need that's fine. Leave it. Think of it like a USB port for AI. Your phone has a charging port. You can plug in a charger, a data cable, headphones. Port does not care what device it has. It it just connect. Simple. It can connect. Imagine that. So MCP is the same thing for AI. It's a standard port. Any tools that speaks MCP can plug into any AI that's a fine. Gmail, plug it. Database, plug it. Google Sheet, plug it. Your own custom script, plug it. Yes. So one protocol, infinite. Without MCP, send email. AI, here here's how you would send an email. Just text. You can ask like, direct, yes, direct your AI. It is going to give you text. With the help of MCP, it will give you text also, and it is going to send that email also. Simple. Just with the help of instruction code you as well. It can send, it can read, it can do any kind of task that you wanted, right? How it works. You are there, the simple natural languages. The client can be your Claude desktop, like Claude Code CLI or Cursor Code VS Code. Right now we use the VS Code, and here all the concepts. So right now we have asked inside the VS Code, MCP protocol, AWS, Azure, and social media. He asked about Gmail. It has all the tool that is available, and it is going to create an actions for that. All right, then I have given all the proper guide over here how you can set up each and everything. You can go, you can check here. I'll add link in the also. You can see over here as well if you want. I'll add in the watch. You can directly click and you can set up. Here you can see 3 ways to use. Also you can do all these things, plus level up real Gmail and CP server. How you can set up the guidance also I added. Then ask AI also, it is going to guide. Won't take more than 10 to 15 minutes. You are using proper AI, and then that's how I use AI. All right, and you can install all these things. Not need to do so many things. Already I created all the code needed, and proper guidance, proper structures. All right, each and everything. Then all at 8 MCP server we built: Gmail, Calendar, Shade, Superbase, MongoDB, AWS, your social media, more, many more. Here I think it's not updated Mac. Right now we're controlling a Mac, so that can be also done. And yeah, Facebook ad and all those things, right? Exercise, build your own. Pick one, calculator, beginner. You can create all these things, ask and build and make it happen, right? And yes, after building, add it to your configuration and all will be done, right? And here even I have given my raw prompt, how I asked AI all these things. So you can see, great. Just for information, which type of loadouts we are using and how it aligns with current standards and technology. What are the plans? You can see just I asked few questions, and AI in itself told Claude identifies MCP as a gap. If you are missing MCP, we have so many things AI, but MCP is missing. Then we had a skill but no protocol for AI to use them directly, right? You can see we have skills but no protocol for AI to use them directly. Unless AI cannot use directly, what kind of thing, right? And that's how we have built. Then I have given a few prompt also. You can see already I was having all these things I created in my class. You can also add this particular file, all the guidance, everything, even raw prompt I added. So you can see how I think, how I use AI, build all these things. Not a very easy that anyone can do. All right, that's all you need. Not only this, so many other files is also available inside. Directly you can see, okay, which the file you need, notes, student guides and all, everything needed. You can check, right? Proper guidance. So yes, just let me know in the comment if you like this. But go and check Euron.1. There I'm take a live automation classes also. So here I'm sharing with you everything. But if you wanted to connect live, there we can discuss each and everything here the class. Where we'll discuss everything from scratch and live class, so you can share your screen, talk there, the live mode. Fine. So that's where you can connect me as well. Just go enroll and connect on 8th of March, 8 p.m. 10 p.m. today. Fine guys, so I hope you enjoy this particular video, and this is all you need. Do not get confused. Let me know in the comment, and after it you are not going to add AI will do task. What do you need? Claude Code, dollar plan buy, or you can use anti-gravity also, free version if you want. If you have chat GPT plan, then you can use Codex also. But yeah, then make something better, guys, right? And right now in the market, in the world, nothing that anyone can't do. Whether you are like non-tech, tech, who cares, right? If you know how to talk, that's all. That's the reason I'm adding very, very raw prompt inside every single thing, so you can see how I work. Let me know in the comment if you want any kind of videos about any other part or any improvement you wanted. Love to help. All right. Keep working, keep hustling, keep doing so many things that you in that, because that is what it's possible. Keep adding things, keep adding values in your skills also in the world as well. Okay. Thank you for watching. Let's connect.